Hello everyone, welcome to the market really update. So this is US dollar index. So currently US dollar index is yesterday daily candle is forming with a big seller pressure, which means the price is hardly to push up. Okay, so we can see here is a minor resistance for it. Therefore, the price after reaching this level, it has a small pressure or it breaks through. It might forming above and it breaks through, and now it has reach this level one more time. It get a big rejection to the downside. Therefore, what I'm looking for this one is still in a long-term bullish momentum, but we need to observe this level as a first target, and we might aiming the final target will be 101.727. Right? For gold, is still in a bearish momentum. If we're looking at this level, it's still in a bearish momentum. Therefore, what I'm looking for is we need gold to break through this level and then holding above this level to maintain to get it back its reversal as a bullish momentum. Therefore, what I'm looking for gold in before FOMC is still in a bearish momentum. Let's move on to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is showing a rejection to the upside. Therefore, what I'm looking for on Nasdaq is still in a short position, which I might considering to take a short position on Nasdaq comparing to the long position. Because as we can see, the momentum is quite bearish right here. Right, a lot of rejection around here, this level. Therefore, but we can see this is a flag. This is a flag around here. So currently the Nasdaq might be still in consolidation. So we might observing which one will break through to the upside or the downside. Or the downside. The two most possibility scenario. Right, let's move on to the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is still in a long run bullish momentum. So what I'm expecting for Dow Jones is still creating a new all-time high. The price is still unknown. Therefore, what I'm looking for Dow Jones might going to 53.5 thousand this price area and only facing a small rejection. Let's move on to the US oil. The US oil is still in the same theory, which we call breakthrough with test and get rejection. Therefore, the US oil is still in a we say bearish momentum. The first target will be 65.41 as a first target, and the final target will be 62.15. But this position is considering if it returns back to the 7C this level, we were considering to take a movement, take a move, right? Let's move on to the GBP USD. The GBP USD is still in it's taking a reversal back already. So what I'm looking for GBP USD might be a bullish momentum for right now. Alright, let's move on to Euro USD. Euro USD, as we can see, it taps the liquidity to the downside and it comes back. So what I'm looking for Euro USD is still a bullish. I might considering to take a long position because as we can see, the 2 days this daily candle and this daily candle is forming above this level. Therefore, the Euro USD is still in a bullish momentum for right now. This is NZD USD. The New Zealand dollar and US dollar is still in we can say a bullish momentum. Therefore, I might considering to take a long position around here, and my target will be here. Right, let's move on to the AUD USD. AUD USD is still in we can say right. What I'm expecting it might facing some small rejection around this level. So I might consider to take a short position around here for the AUD USD.